In this video, I'm going over the best beginner credit cards for military members in 2025. I specifically chose credit cards that anybody in the military can sign up for that also have really good perks and sign up bonuses for you guys to get. So if you want to know what the best credit card is for you in the military as a beginner, this video is for you. Okay, starting off with number one, we have the Discover It secured card. Now I figured I'd start the list off with a secured credit card because most beginners in the military, I think, don't even have a credit card in the first place. So if you have no credit history and you're worried about getting rejected from applying for other credit cards, this is, in my opinion, the best credit card to start with as a beginner because it doesn't require you to have any credit score to apply. If you don't know how secured credit cards work, basically you put down a security deposit of, let's say, $200, and then that $200 becomes your credit limit. Now with this card, there's also no annual fee and you get 2% cash back on gas stations and restaurants. And this is up to $1,000 every single quarter. Anything other than that, you will earn 1% cash back. And they also have a cashback match where they're going to match you for every single dollar that you earned on the first year. This means instead of the 2% cash back that you're getting at gas stations and restaurants, you're actually getting 4%, which is amazing as a total beginner. The reason why I recommend the Discover It secured card over other banks is because it's going to start your relationship with the Discover It ecosystem. And later on, we'll talk about another Discover It credit card with a ton of perks and benefits. So as a total beginner, you're going to eventually want that, and it'll be better if you already have a credit card with Discover It. The second credit card on the list is the Wells Fargo Active Cash card. And right now they have a sign-up bonus of getting $200 after you spend $500 within the first 3 months. With the rewards, this one is super simple because you get 2% cash back on everything with no limit. This card's also going to give you a 0% APR period for the first 12 months of owning this credit card. With the benefits, they also have what's called cell phone protection. What this means is you're covered up to $600 with a $25 deductible if your phone were to get lost or stolen or damaged. The only catch with this is that you have to pay your phone bill with the credit card. So yeah, overall, I would say that this credit card is really good for beginners in the military who just want a flat cashback rate on every single purchase. And later on, you're going to see that there's other cards with higher cash back, but you're going to have to be tracking some of the categories, so it's not going to be on every single purchase. The next credit card that we have on the list is the Citi Double Cash card. The sign-up bonus at the time of filming this video is you get $200 after you spend $1,500 in the first 6 months. This is again another very easy card to use because you get 2% cash back on everything. There's no annual fee, and you can pair this with other Citi credit cards to transfer your cash back into travel points, where if you book through the Citi travel portal, you're going to get 5% total cash back on hotels, car rentals, and attractions until the end of the year. So yeah, if you're a military member who already banks with Citi, you maybe have a Citi credit card already, this is a great card for you. It's really no brainer. Again, 2% cash back on everything. And if you plan on traveling, then this is really good for the Citi travel portal. For example, with Citi, you can transfer one-to-one to Virgin Atlantic. And from there, you can book a flight that you can get for a lot cheaper when you use your points. The next card on the list is the Discover It Cashback card. Right now, the sign-up bonus with this credit card is that you get unlimited cashback match in the first year. So just like the secured card that we talked about earlier, this is going to be the same thing. You also get a 0% APR period for the first 15 months of owning this credit card, and you get 5% cashback on categories that rotate every single quarter. With all the other purchases, you get 1% cashback. What this means is that every 3 months, they're going to change the category where you can earn 5% from. So for example, it could be groceries one quarter, and then another quarter, it could be on Amazon. And yeah, there's no annual fee or foreign transaction fees as well. So that's another great benefit of this card. And so with this unlimited cashback match for the first year, you're basically getting 10% cashback on these categories every single quarter, which is just crazy. So yeah, this credit card is great for beginners in the military who want high cashback on rotating categories, and there's no fees that you have to worry about. And the last credit card that I want to talk about today is going to be the Bilt MasterCard. Right now, there's no public sign-on bonus for this credit card, but what's unique about Bilt is you can use this credit card to pay for rent while earning points, and you can avoid any fees that you would normally pay. So typically when you pay for rent, there's like a 2% or 3% credit card fee. But again, with Bilt, you're able to avoid all of that, and you can earn points when you're spending on rent anyways. You also get 3 times points on dining, 2 times points on travel, 5 times points on Lyft rideshare, and 1 times on everything else. The only catch with this is you have to use the card at least 5 times each statement period in order to get these points. But with the benefits, there's no annual fee, and you can also transfer the points straight to travel partners like Hyatt and Alaska Airlines. They also have cell phone protection up to $800 with a $25 deductible. And also with this credit card, you can earn points for buying a home. So right now you can earn 1 point for every $2 spent on the total purchase price of the home, which means if you bought a home for $500,000, you'd be getting 250,000 points. The catch with this is that you'd have to do this through a real estate who is partnered with Bilt. But yeah, this is great for military members who rent, so like reservists, or if you're active duty and you plan on getting a home and you want to do it through a real estate who's partnered with Bilt, you can earn a ton of travel points when you're buying a home. Not to mention the rewards that you get on rent and dining and things like that. Now, if you're interested in any of these credit cards, I'll leave my affiliate link down below for you guys to check them out. So if you guys use that link, thank you so much in advance. It's going to help support the channel so that I can keep creating free content like this. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.